Discover the hidden power every man already possesses. Boost your strength, energy, and confidence naturally in just 7 days, without a single pill. Are you ready to unlock the unstoppable version of yourself? Every man has a reservoir of strength within him that often remains untapped. In today's fast-paced world, stress, sedentary lifestyles, and poor nutrition can quietly drain your energy, leaving you feeling weaker than you truly are. But the truth is, your body is wired to generate vitality and stamina naturally, without the need for pills or artificial supplements. The journey begins with understanding how your body works and how simple, deliberate actions can awaken this hidden power. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in male vitality. Foods rich in zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats are not just fuel. They are the building blocks of testosterone, the hormone responsible for energy, muscle growth, and overall male strength. Incorporating eggs, nuts, spinach, and fatty fish into your daily diet can make a remarkable difference. Even small adjustments like swapping processed snacks for these natural alternatives can start a transformation you can feel within days. You might wonder how quickly results can appear. Imagine waking up one morning and noticing a surge of energy you haven't felt in years. That surge comes not from luck, but from intentional choices that prime your body to perform at its best. Men who have adopted these practices often report higher energy levels, increased confidence, and a renewed sense of purpose in just a week. Your body responds to what you feed it, and the right nutrition sets the stage for everything else. Physical activity is another key pillar. Strength training, high-intensity interval workouts, and even simple daily movements stimulate testosterone production and build resilience. Exercise isn't just about looking stronger, it's about feeling unstoppable. Every push, pull, or sprint sends signals to your body that it's time to awaken your dormant power. Even a 20-minute daily routine can start a domino effect of energy, focus, and vitality. Think about the last time you felt truly alive, alert, confident, and energized. That sensation isn't exclusive to elite athletes. It's available to every man willing to take the first step. Morning sunlight, fresh air, and movement trigger hormonal and neurological responses that supercharge your day. By aligning your routine with natural rhythms, you allow your body to thrive effortlessly. Hydration is often overlooked but is critical for optimal performance. Water regulates temperature, supports digestion, and maintains energy levels. Even mild dehydration can reduce strength and focus, undermining your efforts. Make it a habit to drink water consistently throughout the day, and pair it with electrolytes from natural sources like fruits and vegetables to keep your system balanced and resilient. Beyond the physical, mindset is an equally powerful tool. Confidence, determination, and mental clarity are directly tied to your physical performance. By visualizing your goals, setting intentions, and embracing challenges, you stimulate the same hormones and pathways that increase energy and drive. The mind-body connection is real, and when you harness it, your potential multiplies. Small habits compound into extraordinary results. Consider the way consistent effort reshapes a man over time. A single healthy meal, a 15-minute workout, or a moment of meditation might seem minor, but repeated daily, they build a foundation of unstoppable strength. Your body and mind respond to repeated signals of care, effort, and intention. Evening routines are a secret weapon in male vitality. Quality sleep repairs muscles, balances hormones, and restores mental clarity. Men who prioritize restful sleep often notice sharper focus, increased libido, and greater overall energy. Simple habits like limiting screens before bed, reducing caffeine intake in the afternoon, and creating a calming environment can drastically improve the quality of your rest. The transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, it feels inevitable. Picture yourself a week from now, stronger, more confident, and energized, not because of any pill, but because you tapped into the natural power already within you. This journey is about reclaiming what is yours by right, the robust, unstoppable energy every man deserves. Now that you've laid the foundation with nutrition, exercise, and mindset, it's time to take your transformation to the next level. Male power isn't just physical, it's a combination of energy, focus, and mental resilience. One of the most overlooked factors in boosting vitality is stress management. Chronic stress floods your system with cortisol, a hormone that can sabotage testosterone levels and drain energy. By learning to manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or even short walks in nature, you create the ideal environment for your body to thrive. Imagine walking into a room and feeling a surge of presence, calm, confident, and energized. That isn't an illusion. It's the result of mastering your internal state. Men who embrace mindfulness and mental control often report sharper decision-making, higher stamina, and even improved relationships. The power of a focused mind cannot be overstated. It directly fuels your physical strength and overall vitality. Sleep patterns play a deeper role than most men realize. Beyond the basic hours of rest, quality sleep involves deep REM cycles, which are crucial for hormonal balance and tissue repair. Optimizing your sleep environment, through darkness, cool temperatures, and minimal disturbances, can dramatically accelerate the benefits of your nutritional and exercise efforts. Think of sleep as the secret engine that supercharges your natural male power. Small daily rituals amplify results in ways that compound surprisingly fast. Morning sunlight exposure regulates circadian rhythms and supports testosterone production. Even 5 to 10 minutes outside each morning can reset your hormonal clock, energizing your entire day. Men who combine movement, sunlight, and focused breathing often report a newfound vigor that feels almost instantaneous. Hydration strategies can also be optimized for strength. Beyond plain water, adding natural electrolytes from foods like bananas, leafy greens, or coconut water ensures your muscles fire efficiently, endurance improves, and mental clarity sharpens. The difference between a dehydrated man and a fully hydrated one can feel like night and day. Your strength, energy, and confidence are amplified simply by giving your body what it craves. Consistency in physical activity now becomes more nuanced. Beyond basic workouts, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and pull-ups engages multiple muscle groups and triggers higher testosterone production. Combining these exercises with brief, high-intensity bursts challenges your body to adapt, increasing stamina and resilience naturally. Imagine each session leaving you not just sore, but invigorated, your body responding to natural stimuli with amplified strength. Nutrition can be further refined to maximize results. Foods that support nitric oxide production, like beets, garlic, and citrus, enhance blood flow, energy, and endurance. Meanwhile, limiting processed sugars and excessive alcohol keeps hormones balanced. By eating intentionally, you're not just feeding your body. You're sending signals that encourage vitality, power, and resilience. Your mental outlook can accelerate physical transformation. Confidence is a self-reinforcing cycle. The more you believe in your strength, the more your body responds. Simple daily affirmations, visualization of goals, and embracing challenges can shift your internal programming. Men who practice mental mastery often find their physical performance skyrockets alongside their focus and drive. Finally, integrate all these elements into a lifestyle, not a short-term plan. True male power isn't fleeting. It's a state of being cultivated over days, weeks, and months. When nutrition, exercise, stress management, hydration, sleep, and mindset work in harmony, the results are undeniable. Your energy levels rise, your confidence grows, and your body responds with natural strength and resilience. Picture the man you aspire to be, strong, energetic, focused, and unstoppable. That version of yourself is not a distant dream. It exists within you, waiting to be awakened. In just 7 days, with consistent effort and intentional choices, you can start reclaiming this power. No pills, no shortcuts. Just the natural, profound energy every man possesses, ready to be unleashed.